Acids. It's Olena, and look, I got some packages here, and these are from a giveaway I won. So let's go ahead and see what's in here. All right, so in a previous video, I told you guys that I'm in this Facebook group run by Makartt, and y'all, they be having just random giveaways at any old time, and your girl happened to be a winner this time around. So let's see what's in here. Okay, so I got some base coat and top coat. Y'all see me use the top coat and the base coat many times, but I'm wondering if I have their updated base coat. I kind of think I do, so let me open this. It's in this box tight. Yeah. Oh, y'all, look at the packaging. Okay, so I know they updated the packaging for the top coat and base coat. What I did not know is that it was going to have this iridescent shiny coat to it. That's pretty. So yeah, this is their new and improved formula. It is Hema-Free. I did not have the new and improved base coat. I had this base coat, which comes in a pair with this top coat. So now I have this base coat and I have another top coat, y'all. And you guys know I had bought a top coat that came 2 in a pack. That's what I love about Makartt, is a lot of their products, like the main products you're going to be using a lot, is sold 2 in a pack. 2 for the price of 1. I am down with that. Thank you, Makartt. Again, look at that packaging. Okay, and of course it comes with, you know, how to use it and all that good stuff. Okay, so this one here. Oh. Ooh, wait, hold up. Got quite a few things in this. Let me take everything out so we can get a closer look. Okay, so this is actually something I have been wanting. Ain't that something? And y'all, when they be sending these the prizes, you have no idea what you're gonna get till you get it. And this is just, whoa. I was surprised to just win again, y'all. I didn't do nothing. I didn't do nothing special. So this, I saw a YouTube short with someone using this. It's a solid nail glue, y'all. And people are using this for nails, and I believe this is the one. Is it air dry? I think. Hold on, let me see. Because I was like, are you serious? Like, no lamp included? But let me stop talking and just make sure. Okay, so suitable for press-on nails, nail tips, and soft gel nail tips. Okay, features no lamp needed. No lamp needed. So precision tip design, suitable for beginners, super clear, fast drying, strong hold. That is crazy, y'all. I saw this and I was like, is this, watch the consistency, y'all. So you see that? You see how it's staying there? It is a gel, but to dry by itself, and you see it is not moving either. So just think of their gem gel that we have all used at this point. Think of that. Think of that. That's the consistency. You see that? Wow. And it's supposed to air dry. So let me see. Let's see if this is going to air dry on my glove. I just want to see. Because that is crazy. I don't know. It may not dry on this glove. This may not be the best example because this is a glove. let's try something else. Okay, so I got this tip out, and here's another. Let's go ahead and try to glue this tip to this tip like this. Let's just see. What I can tell you, I did try to wipe this off my glove with alcohol, and as you can see, there's some residue here that looks like, you know, glue residue. Oh, there's some more. Okay, so I guess it did start drying. And I will also tell you, it smells like regular nail glue. So we'll put a little bit on here. Look at that. Okay, so this is a good way to, you know, if you like nail glue, but you don't like it running everywhere or spreading everywhere, you want it to stay in place, then here you go. And this is supposed to air dry, so let's... Okay, so it's staying put. I'm gonna leave that alone a little bit. I don't know how fast this is gonna dry, y'all, but we just gonna leave this as it is. And let's move on to the next thing. Okay, so the next thing is, y'all, I got some of their new gel polishes. Now they have all kinds of new things going on with Makartt right now, but let's go ahead and open these up and see what these are talking about. Okay, so we have color 085. Yeah, 085. Look at this. The packaging is nice. Okay, looks like we got a baby pink color. These bottles, I keep saying packaging, but what I really want to say is bottles. Okay, and this looks like a white. And what is this color? And this color is like I guess a peachy color. Let's see, y'all. Let's just see. Ooh. So yeah, this is a just pinky pink color. I like that rounded brush. To me, this is like a milky pink. Okay, so I'm gonna let that dry. Let's move back to this because I accidentally bumped into this, but let's see. Y'all, wait. Yeah. This is dry, y'all. Oh my goodness. Now just spread something right there. So it's like whatever is touching, it dries. Whatever's not touching anything, I guess maybe I got some underneath. That might take a little bit longer to dry, but look at that. Okay. That's interesting. Okay, so let's go ahead and try out this color. Is this a milky white? It's kind of looking like it. Yes, y'all, this is a milky white. Nice. Okay, and this is like basically a nude color. Oh, so basically they're trying to tell me you gonna have to, we heard you wanted to work on French tips. So guess what? We gave you everything you needed to work on French tips. Okay, so press on nail artists. Look at this. They just basically gave out a package that basically is cool. I mean, perfect for anyone who does press-ons. Because remember, I still got the nails to take a look at. There you go. Now, how did they know to get the perfect nude for me? So far, 5 polishes. We have these. And then we have the top coat, base coat, and we have the glue. And if you got the glue, you need to use that glue for something. So that's when these come into play. I have never tried any Makartt nails, so this will be a first for me. You can never have enough nails. Get this open. Okay, so this comes with 240 pieces, 15 sizes. That's nice, 15 sizes. That's a good amount of sizes. Whoa. So here's a little size chart or something to have. Instead of, you know how sometimes they have the numbers up here, you can just put this right here. This is definitely going to be size 0. And what I'm looking at, y'all, I don't know if you see this, but there's like a little how can I say, a little outline in case you want short, so you can just follow that and cut it. And then there's a line across for short if you like square tips, medium, and then long. Let's take a look. And with my thumb here, that's feeling like that would be my size. Normally I'm a size 0, especially on my right hand. If not, this is going to be a 1, but this gives you an idea. Almond shape. Oh, these are perfect. And I did not have any long press-ons in almond. I did not have that at all. So they just gave me something that I needed. So again, that's nice that they have this card here. Really, really nice. And I like this too. Let me see. Okay, so that's how flexible they are. The tip does have the number on it, but it's a little bit further up. And it's firm. So it looks thin, but it's firm. Okay. Wow. Okay. Let me see. Oh, I let that run. But here you go. So that's the Milky pink color, the Milky white, and the perfect nude. And this is the perfect nude for me. I mean, it just happens to be the same nude color I already got on this hand. Ooh, so shout out to Makartt for sending me this. If you're on Facebook, find me on Facebook. I'm OlenaRosanne on there, and I'm also go by my government name. If whichever one that you got, you know, send me a instant message, say you want to get in on the group too, and girl, I will send you the link and go from there. Or I will find you and just add you directly from the group and just come on in. We're just sharing our designs and whatever. And by now, most people, if you're doing any kind of nails, you have something from Makartt. So you just never know. You never know what you'll win. You'll never know. So anyway, that's all. I just wanted to share that with y'all. Other than that, if you haven't already subscribed, please make sure you go ahead and do that. Hit the notification bell. Give this video a thumbs up, please. Leave me a comment. Other than that, roses, I will talk to you later.